the chapter alcohol, phenol and ether. Then after definition of alcohol and phenol was over yesterday. Then mono, di, tri and polyhydric compounds in sense of aliphatic and aromatic was over yesterday. Then after primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol with example, allyl alcohol with example, benzyl alcohol with example, vinyl alcohol with example was over yesterday. Then some questions was there to find primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. Then IUPAC nomenclature was over yesterday. Then after cyclic IUPAC nomenclature, and I had stopped yesterday on this page, that is preparation of alcohol. So I'm going to start from here, preparation of alcohol. Now we are going to discuss preparation of alcohol. So as I informed you yesterday, preparation of alcohol means alcohols can be prepared by three way in your syllabus. According to your syllabus, I am saying first one from alkene, second one by reduction of carbonyl compound. Yesterday I informed you carbonyl compound reduction किसका करना है, carbonyl compounds का. Carbonyl compounds I informed you those compounds which have C double bond O. वे कंपाउंड जिनके पास C double bond O होता है, that are called carbonyl compound. In your syllabus, carbonyl compounds are aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid and ester. These four are the carbonyl compound. So these four means aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic and ester can produce the alcohol, by which process the name of the process is reduction. And third one is there from Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent in previous chapter it was there, RMgX, alkyl magnesium halide. And I informed you Grignard reagent can prepare primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol with the respective reagent. With methanol it form primary alcohol. With other aldehyde than the methanol it forms secondary alcohol, and with ketone it forms the tertiary alcohol. Now we will discuss the preparation. So I am going to start the first one, that is from alkene. So first one is here, that is from alkene. So alcohol can be prepared from alkene. In alkene there are two. One is by acid catalyzed hydration, second is by hydroboration oxidation. So first one is here by acid catalyzed hydration. What is the meaning of this word acid catalyzed hydration? Hydration word means addition of water. हाइड्रेशन वर्ड का मतलब होता है कि दैट रिएक्शन इन विच वाटर इज एडेड विथ द सबस्ट्रेट. And if dehydration word will be there, de, then that means the removal of water. Remember, hydration means addition of water and dehydration means removal of water. ठीक है. And acid catalyzed word means acid will be act as catalyst here. Acid will be act as catalyst here. So acid catalyzed hydration मतलब है कि alkene will be react with water in presence of acid as catalyst. So same is written here. When alkene react with water in presence of acid as catalyst, then it form alcohol. तब ये क्या बनाता है, alcohol बनाता है. The what is the meaning of acid catalyzed hydration? Means when alkene react with water in presence of any acid which act as catalyst to form the alcohol, that is called acid catalyzed hydration of alkene. Now here addition reaction is given. So alkenes are of two type. In previous chapter you know, one is symmetrical alkene and one is unsymmetrical alkene. Symmetrical alkene, I informed you कि that alkene in which both the double bonded carbon have same number of hydrogen. दोनों डबल बॉन्डेड कार्बन के पास सेम नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन होता है, देन दैट इज कॉल्ड सिमेट्रिकल एल्कीन. सो सी, first one is symmetrical alkene, both the double bonded carbon have 2 hydrogen, and second one is unsymmetrical alkene, means that alkene in which double bonded carbon have the different number of hydrogen, जिसमें डबल बॉन्डेड कार्बन के पास हाइड्रोजन अलग अलग होता है. Like this double bonded carbon is having 2 hydrogen and this double bonded carbon is having 1 hydrogen. See here. So that is unsymmetrical. Left side double bonded carbon is having CH, that is only 1 hydrogen. Right side double bonded carbon is having CH2, so it is having 2 hydrogen. So when the double bonded carbon is having same number of hydrogen, केवल double bonded carbon पे देखना है, then that is called symmetrical. And when the double bonded carbon is having different number of hydrogen, then that is called unsymmetrical. Then that is called unsymmetrical. So two things are written there. If symmetrical is there, if symmetrical alkene is there, then no any special rule will be followed. But if unsymmetrical alkene will be there, then it will follow the MKR. If unsymmetrical alkene will be there, then it will follow the Markovnikov's rule. And if symmetrical alkene will be there, then no any rule will be followed. तब कोई rule follow नहीं होगा. And what is Markovnikov rule? If you will remember class 11th and previous chapter, then negative part will be attached with that double bonded carbon which has less number of hydrogen. ये Markovnikov's rule है. Now see, first one is symmetrical alkene. So in presence of acid, acid के presence में this water is broken down, as you know कि in the acidic medium water is present in the form of their ions. शायद क्लास 10th का एक क्वेश्चन आपको याद होगा कि why tap water conduct electricity and distilled water not conduct electricity. Reason is there, in distilled water, water is present in molecular form, no ion is present, so that's why that not conduct the electricity. But in tap water, water is present with ionic form. So same is here. If you will take distilled water, so in that water will be in molecular form, no ion is there, so that will not conduct the electricity. But when you will add a small amount of acid in that, then it will, ठीक है, break to give the H plus and OH minus. This is the normal information. Real what is the mechanism that we will discuss later. अभी केवल normal बता रहे हैं कि in presence of acid, this water is broken down into H plus and OH minus. H plus and OH minus. Now we have the two, one positive, one negative. So one bond of alkene will be broken down, as you know कि double bond always undergo addition reaction. In addition reaction, the bond will be broken down and the valency will be completed by addition. So it is symmetrical alkene. So H plus and OH minus can be comes and attach at any one carbon. किसी पे भी आकर के अटैच हो सकते हैं एंड फॉर्म द प्रोडक्ट. एक पे H आया, एक पे OH आया, आइदर लेफ्ट साइड H राइट साइड OH और राइट साइड H लेफ्ट साइड OH. ठीक है, देयर इज नो एनी स्पेसिफिक position in symmetrical alkene I am saying. So H and OH are comes and attach, double bond is broken down into single bond, so यहाँ single bond हो गया, and H and OH are attached at both the double bonded adjacent carbon, so form the product In this product now it is having the OH group, so it is alcohol. ये अल्कोहल बन गया, ऐसे हमको ऐड करना है. But if unsymmetrical is there, then in this also the H2O will be broken down into H plus and OH minus. Now it will follow the MKR, पहले ही लिख दिया गया है. So unsymmetrical will follow the MKR, so negative will be attached with that double bonded carbon which has less number of hydrogen. Negative will move only at that double bonded carbon which has less number of hydrogen. Previous one में आपको कहा गया किसी पे जा सकता है, but in this negative will be moved at less hydrogen containing double bonded carbon, and positive will be moved at high hydrogen containing double bonded or more hydrogen containing double bonded carbon. So see, OH comes at second. OH किस पे आया है? सेकेंड कार्बन पे आया है, that is CH which is having one hydrogen. So this follow the MKR. So you need to remember this, you need to highlight this कि if alkene will be unsymmetrical alkene, then it follow the MKR to form the product. दोनों में product बन रहा है क्या? Alcohol. It is also form alcohol, it is also form alcohol, but the difference is here, in symmetrical H and OH can move at any carbon, but in unsymmetrical it follow the MKR. Now this is the preparation information. Now next, as I informed you previously already कि in your syllabus 7 or 8 mechanisms are there. 7-8 mechanism हैं. Out of that 7-8 mechanism, 2 mechanisms were over in previous chapter, that is mechanism of SN1 reaction and mechanism of SN2 reaction. Now we are going to discuss the third mechanism of your syllabus. See here it is written mechanism, और एक mechanism आता है SN1 हो गया, SN2 हो गया. Now we are going to discuss the third mechanism. ठीक है? My voice and screen are clear? Anyone please unmute and tell me.
Okay, sir.
Okay. If anyone will have any problem, immediately inform me. So mechanism. Now what is the name of this mechanism? Previous mechanism का तो नाम था SN1 reaction, SN2 reaction. What is the name of this mechanism? How it will come in your question paper? So see, in your question paper it can be comes in 3 different forms. First one, write the mechanism of acid catalyzed hydration of ethene. क्या नाम आएगा? रिमेंबर दिस, यही आपको हेडिंग देना है, mechanism of acid catalyzed hydration ऑफ इथीन. आपको इथीन ही लेना है, कोई और एल्कीन नहीं लेना है, प्रोपीन ब्यूटीन ऐसा कुछ नहीं लेना, ओनली इथीन. So first name will be there, write the acid catalyzed hydration of ethene. Second name will be there, write the acid mechanism of acid catalyzed hydration of alkene. ethene के जगह पे क्या लिखा रहेगा? alkene. Then also you need to write the same, आपको वही लिखना है. And third, that is also in your NCERT book exercise, write the mechanism to prepare ethanol from ethene. एथीन से इथेनॉल बनाने का मैकेनिज्म लिखिए. सी द एरो इथीन से इथेनॉल है. राइट द मैकेनिज्म फॉर प्रिपरेशन ऑफ इथेनॉल फ्रॉम इथीन और कन्वर्जन ऑफ इथीन टू इथेनॉल. वर्ड की मीनिंग समझिए, किससे क्या बनाना है. इथीन टू इथेनॉल लिखा होगा और इथेनॉल फ्रॉम इथीन लिखा होगा. मीन्स फाइनली आपको इथेनॉल बनाना इथीन से. सो 3 नेम्स मीन्स यू विल राइट द 3 हेडिंग. फर्स्ट, mechanism of acid catalyzed hydration of ethene, or in next line, mechanism of acid catalyzed hydration of alkene, or next line, mechanism of preparation of ethanol from ethene, or conversion of ethene into ethanol. These three, out of these three, the last one is in your exercise. ये आखिरी वाला जो नाम है ये आपके एक्सरसाइज में है. So now after this you will write the mechanism of acid catalyzed hydration is completes in 3 steps. SN1 2 स्टेप में था, SN2 सिंगल स्टेप में था. It completes in 3 steps. It completes in following 3 steps. Now the name of step. First name of first step is protonation of alkene to form carbocation. First step name, पहला नाम लिखेंगे. Second, attack of nucleophile. And third name will be deprotonation. So first step, protonation of alkene to form carbocation. Second step is their attack of nucleophile, and third step is there, that is deprotonation. Now first heading, protonation of alkene. Protonation of alkene to form carbocation. Now I am going to discuss the first step. First step में आप क्या लिखेंगे, ध्यान से देखिए. Before this, इस इक्वेशन के पहले you will write one equation. क्योंकि ये एसिड कैटालाइज्ड है तो एसिड का इंफॉर्मेशन देंगे. यू विल राइट फर्स्ट H2SO4. This H2SO4 will break to give the H plus, and HSO4 minus, because acid is those which give the H plus, तो ये H plus देगा. So first equation will be this. सबसे पहले your first step will be there, protonation of alkene to form carbocation. ये heading लेंगे, and then after you will write this equation. From this equation जो H plus बना था, this H plus will be react with here. ये आपको यहाँ शो हो रहा है. दिस H प्लस कम्स फ्रॉम एसिड. एसिड से ये H प्लस आया है. इट इज कैरीड बाय वाटर to form the H3O plus, means first equation will be this, second equation will be this. Now this H3O plus, ये H3O plus water को लेकर के आया, and this H3O plus gives 1 H plus to alkene. ये एक H plus alkene को दे देगा and convert into H2O again. So H2O is in first step, H2O is act as carrier of proton. Carrier of proton, जैसे ऑटो होता है, ऑटो में आप बैठे एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पहुंचा दिया, तो सेम work is doing by H2O in first step. H2O is carrier of proton. The proton is given by acid, जो कैटलिस्ट का वर्क कर रहा है. दिस एसिड विल गिव द प्रोटॉन, एंड दैट प्रोटॉन इज कैरिड बाय H2O, एंड दैट H2O गिव दिस प्रोटॉन टू एल्कीन. ये पहला स्टेप है. और जैसे ही प्रोटॉन यहाँ से निकल के एल्कीन पे अटैच हुआ, देन सी, ये आपका प्रोडक्ट बन गया. ठीक है, प्रोडक्ट इज हियर. प्रोडक्ट अगर हम क्लियर करते हैं, इफ आई विल रिमूव द इक्वेशन, प्रोडक्ट इज हियर, देन सी, 1 H comes and attach on this carbon, one bond is broken down, and plus charges comes and attach at this carbon. So now this product is called carbocation because carbon is containing positive charge. So first step is over. First step is having 3 equation. First equation, H2SO4. In the starting of reaction, H2SO4 will be broken down to give the H plus and HSO4 minus. Out of these two, H plus is carried by H2O to convert itself into H3O plus. That H3O plus comes and attack on alkene to give the H plus to alkene to form the carbocation. Carbocation बनाया. First step is over. Protonation, means attack of proton, attachment of proton. तो proton कहाँ से आया? That proton is comes from acid. In the first step, the proton which attach in alkene to form the carbocation, from where it comes? It comes from acid. Now, step second. In step second जो carbocation बना था, now the water molecule is act as nucleophile. तो second step में attack of nucleophile heading will be there. And what is nucleophile? These are the small questions, 1 mark question for MCQ. कि what is act as nucleophile in acid catalyzed hydration of alkene for preparation of alcohol. alcohol के preparation में acid catalyzed hydration में nucleophile है, then water is act as nucleophile. And what is act as carrier of hydrogen or proton? Then that is also water. water फर्स्ट स्टेप में कैरियर का वर्क कर रहा है, सेकेंड स्टेप में वाटर इज एक्टिंग एट न्यूक्लियोफाइल. सो वाटर कम्स एंड अटैच, वाटर अटैच होगा एंड बाय अटैचमेंट ऑफ वाटर, कंप्लीट वाटर अटैचमेंट हुआ. देखिए वाटर यहाँ अटैच हो गया, किस पे अटैच होगा? जिस कार्बन पे प्लस चार्ज था. एंड दैट प्लस चार्ज नाउ शिफ्ट ऑन ऑक्सीजन ऑफ वाटर, वाटर के ऑक्सीजन पे आकर के शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. एंड दिस प्रोडक्ट इज कॉल्ड प्रोटोनेटेड एल्कोहल. ये एल्कोहल बन गया, बट एल्कोहल में प्रोटॉन है, प्रोटोनेटेड एल्कोहल. ठीक है, प्रोटोनेटेड एल्कोहल. नाउ नेक्स्ट, last step. In the last step, the third heading will be there, step 3, deprotonation. In this last step, जिस ऑक्सीजन पे प्लस चार्ज है, from there the proton will be removed out. Proton means one hydrogen and one plus charge will be removed out. Why? Because as you know, valency of carbon is 2. Valency of oxygen is 2. But here you can see ऑक्सीजन इज अटैच विथ 3 बॉन्ड. ऑक्सीजन पे 3 बॉन्ड बना हुआ है. सो इट्स वैलेंसी इज शोइंग हियर 3. दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. ऑक्सीजन की वैलेंसी 2 होती है. सो दिस प्रोटोनेटेड अल्कोहल इज अनस्टेबल प्रोडक्ट. सो दैट विल बी try to become stable, and to get the stability पाने के लिए it will release the H plus को रिलीज कर देगा. and after releasing the H plus, the plus charge will be removed out, H will be removed out, so it form the OH only. यहाँ से H plus रिलीज हो जाएगा, so यहाँ बच जाएगा केवल OH. so that OH means alcohol, and that H plus again carried by water. ये H plus फिर से water carry करेगा, and that water bring the H plus back to HSO4 minus to form the acid, because acid is catalyst. And catalyst nature I informed you कि catalyst are those substances which just increase the rate of reaction, not change the product, and remain unchanged at the end of reaction. So see, H2SO4 ने reaction start किया, the reaction is initiated by catalyst, but at the end the H2SO4 is again formed. So जितना H2SO4 यूज हुआ उतना वापस बन जाएगा. फिर से चेक करिए. I am going to explain the mechanism once again. What will be your heading? Mechanism of acid catalyzed hydration of ethene, or mechanism of acid catalyzed hydrogen, or mechanism of preparation of ethanol from ethene. Then after you will write this mechanism completes in following 3 steps. Step first, protonation of alkene to form carbocation. Step second, attack of nucleophile. Step third, deprotonation. Now first heading is step first, protonation of alkene to form carbocation. In this you will write the 3 equation. First equation, H2SO4 will be break to give the H plus. Second equation, that H plus will be carried by the water to form H3O plus. and that H3O plus third equation will attack on alkene to give the H plus to alkene to form the carbocation. ठीक है, नथिंग यू नीड टू राइट इन स्टेटमेंट फॉर्म, आपको स्टेटमेंट फॉर्म में कुछ नहीं लिखना है, हेडिंग लेना है, इक्वेशन हाँ समझना है कि इफ समवन विल आस्क तो आप बतला सके क्या हो रहा है. नाउ second step, attack of nucleophile. In this you will write this equation in which water is acting as nucleophile. This water is attack on carbocation to form the protonated alcohol. Now step third, deprotonation. In this deprotonation you will show कि protonated alcohol will give the hydrogen H plus, that is proton, to the water, becomes more stable and form the alcohol. And in the last, after this you will write one more equation in which this H3O plus, एक लास्ट इक्वेशन इसके नीचे आप लिखेंगे, in which H3O plus जो यहाँ बना है इस स्टेप में, that will react with HSO4 माइनस जो यहाँ बचा हुआ था, react with this to give the H plus, इसको H plus दे देगा and form the H2SO4 back, and H plus देने के बाद H3O plus बन जाएगा H2O. This will be the last equation. तो total equation in first step 3 equation, second step 1 equation, and third step 2 equation. So it will show, the last equation will show कि H2SO4 is forming back. So it means H2SO4 is catalyst. And now one more information, remember this. अभी कुछ देर पहले आई इन्फॉर्म्ड यू कि H2O इज ब्रोकन डाउन इनटू H प्लस एंड OH माइनस, एंड OH माइनस आकर के अटैच होता है और H प्लस आकर अटैच होता है. बट हियर यू कैन सी इन मैकेनिज्म, मैंने आपसे कहा था कि मैकेनिज्म में थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट होता है. मैकेनिज्म में आपको दिख रहा है कि H प्लस ऑफ एसिड इज कमिंग एंड अटैच विथ एल्कीन. एसिड का H प्लस एल्कीन से अटैच हो रहा है, वाटर का नहीं. एंड OH ऑफ वाटर इज कमिंग एंड अटैच, और वाटर का जो H प्लस है वो वापस एसिड के पास जा रहा है. मीन्स आई नीड टू से कि मैकेनिज्म आपको याद रखना चाहिए कि in this product the H plus is not of water, this H plus is of acid, and OH is of water, and the H plus of water is moved back to form the acid. मीन्स H प्लस जो अटैच हुआ है वो वाटर का नहीं है, वो एसिड का है. हालांकि एसिड हैज टेकन द H प्लस फ्रॉम वाटर बैक, तो ओवरऑल यही माना जाता है कि वो वाटर का ही है. बट इन रियल, इन मैकेनिज्म इट इज शोइंग कि दैट इज नॉट द पार्ट ऑफ वाटर, दैट इज द पार्ट केम फ्रॉम एसिड. जैसे आई हैव गिवन समथिंग टू मे बी Ragini has given that to Arman, so that is for my part, but I had not given to Arman. So same is here कि H प्लस वाटर का पार्ट नहीं होता है, वो एसिड से आता है और फिर वाटर एसिड को H प्लस वापस दे देता है. सो दिस इज अबाउट द मैकेनिज्म. ये हो गया मैकेनिज्म. सो आवर फर्स्ट स्टेप, फर्स्ट प्रिपरेशन मेथड, एसिड कैटालाइज्ड हाइड्रेशन इज कंप्लीटली ओवर. एसिड कैटालाइज्ड हाइड्रेशन आप याद रखिएगा. एसिड कैटालाइज्ड हाइड्रेशन यू नीड टू डू टू थिंग्स. फर्स्ट यू विल राइट द स्टेटमेंट कि एसिड कैटालाइज्ड हाइड्रेशन में होता क्या है. हेडिंग एसिड कैटालाइज्ड हाइड्रेशन, एल्कीन रिएक्ट विथ, ये पूरा आपको स्टेटमेंट लिखना है. एंड देन आफ्टर दीज टू इक्वेशन, then after next mechanism, and these all 7 equation. Now next, by hydroboration oxidation, this is the second method for preparation of alcohol from alkene. एल्कीन से एल्कोहल बनाने का ये दूसरा मेथड है. ठीक है. नाउ सी, हाइड्रोबोरेशन ऑक्सीडेशन, एज द नेम इज सेइंग hydroboration oxidation. So this method is completes in 2 steps. first step hydroboration means hydrogen or boron will be attached to form a product, and second step is oxidation. नाम आपको क्लियर कट इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा है कि दिस मेथड इज कंप्लीट्स इन टू स्टेप्स. First step is hydroboration, which form a product, and that product will undergo oxidation to form the final product, that is alcohol. Now see what is written in this. What is the reagent? That is diborane. That's why it is written hydroboration, boron and hydrogen. Diborane containing the two element boron and hydrogen. So what is hydroboration oxidation? Then you will say कि hydroboration oxidation is a method to prepare alcohol from alkene. In this method, diborane react with alkene to form trialkyl borane. डाइबोरेन एल्किल से रिएक्ट करके ट्राई एल्किल बोरेन बनाता है. डाइबोरेन रिएक्ट विथ एल्कीन टू फॉर्म द ट्राई एल्किल बोरेन विच इज एन एडिशन प्रोडक्ट. मैंने आपको बताया पहला स्टेप है बोरॉन और हाइड्रोजन ऐड होगा टू फॉर्म द प्रोडक्ट. सो दिस इज फर्स्ट स्टेप. नाउ दिस ट्राई एल्किल बोरेन, सेकेंड स्टेप स्टार्ट हो रहा है. ट्राई एल्किल बोरेन ऑक्सीडाइज, दैट इज ऑक्सीडेशन टू एल्कोहल, मतलब ऑक्सीडाइज होकर एल्कोहल बनाता है. अब किससे ऑक्सीडाइज होता है? बाई हाइड्रोजन पर ऑक्साइड मीन्स H2O2 इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ एक्वस NaOH. मीन्स इसमें पहले जो एल्कीन होगा, एल्कीन विल बी रिएक्ट विथ डाइबोरेन. एल्कीन डाइबोरेन से रिएक्ट करेगा टू फॉर्म ट्राई एल्किल बोरेन, and that trialkyl borane will undergo oxidation to form the alcohol. तब वो alcohol बनाएगा. You need to write these 3 line. ठीक है, you need to write these 3 line, just 3 line in the statement, and then after you will write note. इसके बाद ये सब आपको नहीं लिखने की जरूरत है. You will write note. In note what you will write? This method means hydroboration oxidation method is always producing the first degree alcohol. हमेशा फर्स्ट डिग्री अल्कोहल बनाता है. और ये क्वेश्चन भी पूछता है why? Because it follow the opposite of MKR rule. Opposite of MKR rule का मतलब क्या आपका सब? हेलो, अपोजिट ऑफ MKR रूल का मतलब हो गया AMKR, एंटी मार्कोनिकॉफ्स रूल. So previous was there, follow the Markovnikov's rule, and hydroboration oxidation is follow the AMKR, anti-Markovnikov's rule. In statement it is written opposite to the Markovnikov's rule. Opposite to the Markovnikov's rule का मतलब है anti-Markovnikov's rule. So this will be in notes. ये notes में रहेगा कि hydroboration oxidation always form the first degree alcohol. पहले तो ये नोट डाउन कर लीजिए. हाइड्रोबोरेशन ऑक्सीडेशन इज ऑलवेज फॉर्म द फर्स्ट डिग्री अल्कोहल. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन विल बी देयर, व्हाई हाइड्रोबोरेशन ऑक्सीडेशन ऑलवेज फॉर्म द फर्स्ट डिग्री अल्कोहल? आइदर सिमेट्रिकल और अनसिमेट्रिकल, नो मैटर, इट विल ऑलवेज फॉलो द फर्स्ट डिग्री अल्कोहल. व्हाई? व्हाट इज द रीजन? बिकॉज हाइड्रोबोरेशन ऑक्सीडेशन इज फॉलो द एंटी मार्कोनिकॉफ्स रूल. हाइड्रोबोरेशन ऑक्सीडेशन AMKR फॉलो करता है. रिमेंबर दिस कैन बी अ क्वेश्चन कि व्हाई हाइड्रोबोरेशन ऑक्सीडेशन मेथड फॉर्म द फर्स्ट डिग्री अल्कोहल ओनली और ऑलवेज फर्स्ट डिग्री अल्कोहल, बिकॉज इट फॉलो द AMKR. and which degree of alcohol is formed by hydroboration oxidation method? That is first degree, second degree or third degree. Then your answer must be there first degree. This you will write in note. And then after the equation, in equation you will write the mechanism of hydroboration oxidation. Mechanism of hydroboration oxidation. सो सी द mechanism. ठीक है, द mechanism इज completes in 4 स्टेप. mechanism टोटल 4 स्टेप में कंप्लीट हो रहा है. आउट ऑफ द 4 स्टेप द फर्स्ट 3 स्टेप इज हाइड्रोबोरेशन. ये पहला 3 स्टेप जो है ये हाइड्रोबोरेशन का पार्ट है. एंड द फोर्थ स्टेप इज ऑक्सीडेशन पार्ट. So hydroboration is completes in 3 steps because it form the trialkyl borane. नाम में करा trialkyl मतलब 3 alkyl group will comes and attach. So see what is happen actually. Now see. First of all, BH3. BH3 means B is attached with 3 hydrogen. So BH3 react with first alkene. 3 स्टेप में 3 मोल ऑफ एल्कीन विल बी react with first mole of alkene. So what is happen? One hydrogen of BH3 is removed to attach the double bonded carbon. One of the double bonded carbon, that is less hydrogen containing carbon, and इट नाउ कन्वर्ट. जब इस पे हाइड्रोजन आके अटैच हो जाता है एक हाइड्रोजन, देन इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू CH3. CH के जगह पे 1H विल बी देयर. CH2 सिंगल बॉन्ड CH2. The hydrogen comes and attach on this carbon, so its valency is over, but its valency is left. क्योंकि ये भी डबल बॉन्ड टूटा है. Whose mic is on? Piyush, can you tell me? थैंक यू. नाउ सी, डबल बॉन्डेड कार्बन का एक बॉन्ड ब्रेक होता है, देन व्हाट इज हैपन, द वैलेंसी ऑफ बोथ द कार्बन विल बी फ्री. दोनों कार्बन की वैलेंसी फ्री होती है. एक कार्बन पे तो हाइड्रोजन आके अटैच हो गया, सो इसकी 4 वैलेंसी पूरी हो गई, 2 हाइड्रोजन 2 बॉन्ड. बट in this carbon the last carbon valency is incomplete. It is having 2 hydrogen and 1 bond, so 1 valency is free. So this comes and attach here at the place of hydrogen with boron. तो 3 times this will be happen. ये 3 बार होगा. पहली बार में बॉन्ड टूटेगा, H आएगा, एंड जो पूरा बना दैट विल बी मूव एंड अटैच विथ बोरॉन टू फॉर्म द फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट. जहाँ से H आएगा वहीं पे पूरा जाके अटैच हो जाएगा, क्योंकि दोनों की वैलेंसी कंप्लीट करनी है. सो सी, यहाँ दिखला रहा है कि H इज अटैच एट 1 एंड BH2 इज अटैच ऑन अनदर. So this is called monoalkyl borane. This product is called monoalkyl borane. Monoalkyl borane. Now in second step another alkene will be attack. अब दूसरा alkene particle attack करेगा, and in the same way this second alkene will be now react with this BH2. One hydrogen comes here and this will be move and attach. So see, एक H हट करके एक एल्किल और अटैच हो गया, so it is called whole twice है तो डाई एल्किल. This is called dialkyl borane. And at the last the third alkene will be attached, so replace this hydrogen. So now all the hydrogen is replaced with alkyl, so it is called trialkyl borane. So finally it formed the trialkyl borane. This trialkyl borane react with hydrogen peroxide and aqueous NaOH. In aqueous NaOH, this H2O2 is break into OH. One H2O2 is break into 2 OH. So 3 H2O2 will be break into 6 OH. 3 OH will be move with alkyl. यहाँ से ये break हो जाएगा, तीनों alkyl from the 3 CH3 CH2 CH2 और B के जगह पे OH आके अटैच हो जाएगा. अब B की वैलेंसी भी इनकम्प्लीट हो गई, सो B will be also attached with OH, so half of the OH will be attached with alkyl, आधा OH alkyl के साथ जाएगा, 3 OH will be moved with alkyl to form the 3 mole of alcohol, and 3 OH will be moved with boron to form the OH whole thrice. So it will form the alcohol, that is 4 degree alcohol. In your NCERT book, the question is there, write the हाइड्रोबोरेशन ऑक्सीडेशन और राइट द मैकेनिज्म ऑफ हाइड्रोबोरेशन ऑक्सीडेशन. किसी भी तरीके से अगर ये आ रहा है हाइड्रोबोरेशन ऑक्सीडेशन, so you need to write these 3 lines. Then after you need to write this equation. First step to form the monoalkyl borane, second step to form the dialkyl borane, third step to form the trialkyl borane, and fourth step by oxidation to form the first degree alcohol. So after this, the first preparation method is completely over, that is from alkene. Now tomorrow is Saturday. Hello, tomorrow is Saturday, so there will be no class. So on Monday we will start from here by reduction of carbonyl compound and prepare your